we're going to show you our lizard. Ooh. His name is Jub Jub. He is about 4 years old right now. He looks spiky, but he's not really that spiky. I take him out. Sometimes he's very nice. He only bit someone once because they had a little cockroach in their mouth. Oops, sorry, the blender's going. It's morning time. So that's our lizard. Sorry about my voice. I just woke up. Okay. Bye. Say bye, Jub Jub. Usually call him Jubbers. Okay, bye.